The truth grows tall. A short moral story. Once in a quiet village, the king announced he was searching for the most honest child to become his royal helper. He gave each child a flower pot with a single seed and said, "Return in 1 month with your plant." Every child ran home, excited to grow the most beautiful flower. One boy, Ravi, watered his pot daily and placed it in the sun, but nothing grew. He was sad but didn't cheat. A month later, children returned with colorful flowers, except Ravi, who brought an empty pot. The king inspected each plant, then stopped at Ravi. "Why is your pot empty?" he asked gently. "I did everything I could, Your Majesty." "But it didn't grow," Ravi said honestly. The king smiled. "I gave boiled seeds, they couldn't grow. You told the truth while others replaced theirs." The crowd gasped. Ravi's honesty won the king's heart, and he was chosen as the royal helper. From that day, Ravi's story was told across the land. Moral: honesty may not always be easy, but it is always rewarded. Truth, like a strong tree, grows tall and stands firm. Thank you for watching.